This is my Mt-Spec 3.0 Zen Racing monster truck. Got it in the summer. It's 4-wheel drive, 2-speed. Got upgraded aluminum shocks. Pretty plush. It's got a 18 size engine, 3 cc's, with upgraded air filter. Pretty good ground clearance. It's got the HPI controller that I got with it. About a quarter of a bottle gone through so far in the engine. The dynamite glow stick igniter for $30 when I got it. Pretty good truck overall. 125 cc fuel tank. Got a aluminum fuel filter on it. Pretty solid chassis. Front bumper. That's about it.